Many cultures and religions, particularly those in the East, believe in past lives. Major religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism all believe that we all die and are reborn again in another life. Whether one calls it reincarnation or rebirth, the belief is that we continue to live life after life. We have lived many lives in the past. We are living in this present life, and when we die, we will continue to be reborn into another life. Major religions that do not believe in past lives are Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. However, that may not always have been the case. The Kabbalah mentioned reincarnation, and some early Christian groups, such as the Gnostics, believed in reincarnation. In fact, the concept of reincarnation was removed from Christian beliefs only because it was decreed by the Council of Constantinople in 553 CE. Prior to that, it was also a belief accepted by the early Christians. Not many scientists are keen to investigate past lives phenomena, but for those who are keen, there is actually ample evidence that can be difficult to ignore. Two prominent past lives investigators are Professor Ian Stevenson and Associate Professor Jim Tucker. A psychiatrist in the University of Virginia, Professor Ian Stevenson spent 40 years researching reincarnation and investigated more than 3,000 cases of rebirth in children worldwide. He looked into the identification of people and places mentioned in children who claimed past lives, examined birthmarks and birth defects that corresponded to events of previous lives, and studied xenoglossy and phobias. In his book Where Reincarnation and Biology Intersect, he presented 200 cases of birthmarks and birth defects associated with reincarnation. After Professor Ian Stevenson passed away in 2007, Associate Professor Jim Tucker, also a psychiatrist, continued his work. He investigated mainly claims of past lives in children in USA. Despite living in a culture where reincarnation is not generally accepted, these American children shared past lives memories that are difficult to dismiss. Associate Professor Jim Tucker shared his interesting research findings in his book Life Before Life, a scientific investigation of children's memories of previous lives.